there. Right there in the deck. Just being a cool little finch bird right there. Isn't he cool? He's just sitting there. He's cool. Look at this guy over here. Oh, he's coming up now. Oh, they're both on there. Grabbing some chia seeds and stuff. Oh, and there's another one over here. Ooh, there's another one right there. Oh, he's coming up. Oh, driving that one off. The guy down here. Check him out. They'll be chasing each other off, trying to get food. It's kind of cool. They always smack into the window here, which is kind of interesting. As you can see, it's snowing. It's snowing pretty good. Actually, usually isn't snowing. I'm gonna go out. I think I'm gonna try to go out tomorrow. I was thinking about going out hunting because I just go right over there to go hunting, way over there. In them woods over there, we got a couple deer stands over there, so sitting here looking at the birds, checking them out. Just thought I'd record because I think it's kind of neat, you know. Not every day you get to see this stuff, so it's nice being up here in the wooded area again, so I can see all this stuff. But there you go. See out there in the woods. This is on the other side, on the lake side. And there's, can't really see it from over here, but this is where we're at up in the northern woods of Minnesota. See the lake and stuff. See, it's nice and snowy outside. It's snowing pretty good if you ask me. So, alright, talk to you later. Thanks.